You're welcome back. On this video, we are going to be using quadratic formula to solve quadratic equation, quadratic formula. Now, before then, let's just look at how we come about the quadratic formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the quadratic formula. So how do we now come about this quadratic formula? I will show you using the general form of quadratic equation. So the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we want to derive this formula from our completing the square method. So the first step is, of course, the coefficient of x squared here is a. We divide all through by a. So we have ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a is equal to 0. So the next thing now is we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. So the next thing now is we are going to move this constant. So as we do that in our completing the square method. So we move this c over a to this side. We have x squared plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. So now the next thing is we are going to half this number, that is the coefficient of x, that is b over 2, b over a. We divide it by 2, then square it and add it to both sides of the equation. We say add b over a divided by 2 square to both sides. So how do we do that? So this is the same thing as this expression is the same thing as b over a times 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 1, that's inverse law. 1 over 2 over 1 will change to 1 over 2, and this sign will change to multiplication. So which is the same thing as saying b over 2a, then everything squared. So let's add this to both sides of the equation. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a, everything squared, we've added it to this side, is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. So now we have to factor this out. We take x, then plus b over a over 2a, everything squared, is equal to minus c over a plus b squared, all right, over 4a squared. So that is, we square this b squared, then 2 square is 4, then a square is, a square is a square. We have it here already. So now let's look on the right hand side of the expression. So we still have x plus b over 2a is equal to minus, so let's look at let's make it a single fraction. The common factor here is 4a squared. 4a squared. Then 4 times a in 4a squared is 4a. 4a times c, that is minus 4ac plus, now 4a squared and 4a squared 1 times plus b squared. So now the next thing now is, permit me to rewrite it. I want to bring b squared to the front and minus 4ac to the back. So we have x plus, so everything is square here, x plus b over 2a squared is equal to, I said I want to bring b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So let's take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of both sides, we have x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of plus or minus b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. So if we take the square root of the denominator, the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 2a is a. So that we now have, sorry, permit me to rub this off, so that we now have x plus b over a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So now let's bring this 2a. Let's bring this plus b over 2a to this side, so that we have x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we look at the denominator, they have the same number. So let us just simplify these two fractions, so that x will now be equal to minus b. They all have a common LCM of 2a here, plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So this is our quadratic formula gotten from the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is how we can get our quadratic formula from this general form of the quadratic equation using completing the square method. Thank you.